Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know if you are using Google Chrome for desktop that the stable channel has received an overnight update in my region, which started rolling out late on the 8th of May 2023. And this is actually the first point release update for version 113. And version 113, which is the current stable release, as I did post, rolled out last week. So we have now received our first minor update to Google Chrome, version 113. Now, as always, if you'd like to see if you have this update, just head to your menu, Help, About Google Chrome. And the latest version in build is now bumped up to version 113.0.5672.93. Once again, it's just a point release. And that point release should either be 0.92 or 0.93, depending if you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux. But if you are on 92 or 93, your browser will be up to date with version 113. Now, Google says that this update is rolling out over the next coming days and weeks. So it is a staggered update. And if you are not seeing it just yet, I'm sure you'll be getting it over the next couple of days. And once again, this is what I'm calling a so-called unknown update, because the release notes do not tell us too much about what this update actually includes. And I have had a quick look in the Chromium log, and I am noticing one or two bugs that have been addressed. So at this stage, this looks like it is a non-security bug fix update, and it is quite common for Google to roll out bug fix updates after the release of major version upgrades, because when they do roll out version upgrades, they don't focus too much on actual bug fixes. So it didn't come as a surprise that Google has already made a bug fix update available. And if anything does change in the release notes as to what this update is containing and is all about, I'll obviously post and let you know accordingly. And I have, like I always do after any update to the browser, I have had a quick look around. I'm not noticing any new features or any major changes as yet, because sometimes when these little minor point release updates do roll out, there are some little hidden nuggets that can be found. Maybe a little setting has been changed or a little UI tweak, but I'm not noticing anything as yet. And if anything does come around or I notice anything in that regard, I will post and let you know. But Google Chrome version 113, as mentioned, has received a point release update. And if you have experienced any bugs or issues in the browser, just double check that your browser is up to date. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.